Okay, we have a slight problem. Car makes a squeaking sound when you touch the throttle. I'm gonna go outside and listen to it.
Still recording?
Yeah, I'm done now.